At first glance, you may think that making this roll is very difficult. But until the end of the video, let's make the easiest and most delicious chocolate roll. First, separate the egg whites and yolks of 4 eggs. Beat the egg whites with a spatula until white. Then add half of the sugar to the egg whites. Beat until completely white and stiff. Put in the refrigerator. Add the rest of the sugar and vanilla to the egg yolks. Mix well until the color changes. Make sure you do this carefully so that the roll does not smell like eggs. Add 1 tablespoon of honey, milk, and vegetable oil. Mix well for 1 minute. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Mix well. Add the egg whites to the egg yolks. Grease a 30 by 40 centimeters mold with oil paper. Pour the mixture into the mold. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. The degree of baking is different. The surface of the roll should not be sticky. If the surface of the roll is not sticky, turn on the grill to brown it. After baking, remove the roll from the oven and cover it with a cloth. Let it cool. After cooling, turn the roll over and remove the oil paper. Now we have a similar roll with a soft, fluffy texture. Grind the almonds together with the syrup. Add the fruit mixture whisked with the spatula. Put 400 g congee together. You can also add 1 or 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Divide the mixture into 5 equal parts. Cut the roll into 5 equal parts. Put the rest of the slices around the middle roll. Do the same for the last roll. You can decorate the roll with nuts or raisins. You can decorate the roll with nuts or raisins.